All right, guys, so when I got my NSX, it did not come with the aluminum pedal set, the dead one, and the rest of the pedals are plastic. And at the end of the day, it's not a big deal because, you know, they're kind of hidden in there. And I did see when I was looking around that some NSXs did come with them. So I decided to buy a few of them and check this one out. Look at this. And it's pretty cool because it draws your attention even when you open up the door. I think it definitely adds to the car. I'm going to be quiet and let you guys experience it. I found it on Amazon, and when you look around, again, it's just for the dead pedal, but that's what you really see when you're looking out. Now, it's not installed there right now. It has adhesive, which is even better because it's not a permanent solution. But when you put it on, you can match up the bottom. The top isn't perfect, but you don't see that. Like, of course, the dash covers it. And then when you're looking out, you cannot see the top at all, like not even a little bit, but you could actually see the pedal. I think it's cool. I think it adds extra character to the interior. All right, we got the adhesive off and we stuck it on there, and I think it gives some extra character to the car. I'm gonna go for a drive just to make sure it doesn't interfere with anything. But I am pumped up. All right, just came back from a drive, and I mean, you can't tell it's there, but I like it. Now, when you're sitting in the car versus looking at this direction, it kind of sits at an angle when you install it, you know, matching the bottom part, which makes sense because I think your foot sits at an angle. But again, if you install it and you're like, I got it crooked, I think it kind of sits at an angle. I like it. I know some of you guys might be like, that's janky, but I think it's awesome. For $20, I think this is a steal. I just like it. And again, it looks really cool when you're looking out. So I'm going to put the link in my description if you want to buy one. It's $20 and totally worth it. All right, guys, thanks for watching.